Very good morning, students. As we finish the chapter explanation, new words and meanings of unit number 4 lesson part, that is a little fish story. Today we are going to start its workbook part. So, children, open your workbook and come to page number 31. So here, first we'll be starting with the question answers. So just start writing as I'm explaining you. First one is, how many fish are there in the sea? Okay, how many fish are there in the sea? The answer will be, there are 1,000,000 fish in the sea. Okay students, just keep in mind, fish ka plural will remain fish only. So we'll write, there are 1,000,000 fish in the sea. Then number 2, why was the little fish unhappy? वो little fish जो था वो unhappy क्यों था? The little fish was unhappy because he was so very small. क्यों unhappy था? Because he was so very small. Number 3, what would make the little fish happy? अब वो खुश क्यों होता? The little fish would be happy if he were larger. वो खुश तब होता जब वो larger means वो बड़ा होता. If he were larger. Number 4, what happened to the fish one day? अब एक दिन क्या हुआ? So one day the fish got caught in the meshes of a great net. क्या हुआ एक दिन पे? जो fish थे वहाँ पे they got caught in the meshes of a great net. जो नेटवर्क था मतलब पूरा नेट का, उसमें वो they got caught. Okay. Now number 5, what happened when the hull was being emptied into the boat? जो पूरा उन्होंने मतलब एफर्ट्स लगा के पूरा खींचा था बाहर नेट का पूरा, वो जब बोट में एम्प्टी कर रहे थे तब क्या हुआ? तो when the hull was being emptied into the boat, जब वो पूरा एम्प्टी हो रहा था, the smallest fish wriggled through the mesh, means जो the smallest fish था ये wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the water. Okay. सो वो मतलब मेश से बाहर निकल गया ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न करके एंड स्लिप बैक इनटू द वाटर, वापस पानी में आ गया वो. देन नंबर 6, वाई वॉज द फिश थैंकफुल टू बी अ लिटल फिश? अब ये जो फिश था वो थैंकफुल क्यों हुआ तब? द फिश वॉज थैंकफुल टू बी अ लिटल फिश. ये सेम वील राइट फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज he was able to come out of the meshes of the net as he was small in size. क्यों वो खुश था, मतलब थैंकफुल क्यों था लिटिल होने के लिए? क्योंकि वो he was able to come out. Okay, जो meshes थे नेट के पूरा उसमें से वो बाहर आ पा रहा था as he was very small in size, क्योंकि वो साइज में स्मॉल था. Okay children, now we'll go with the multiple choice questions, that is choose the correct option. Number 1, how many fish are there in the seas? अब कितनी फिश होती हैं हमने ऑलरेडी देखा है, तो मिलियंस. तो we'll take option D and we'll write D in the box. Number 2, the little fish was dash, तो it is unhappy, मतलब option B. The little fish was unhappy, क्यों unhappy? Because he was very small, option C. The little fish thought that if he would be larger he would be dash. अब वो larger होता तो क्या होता? happier, मतलब option B. The little fish believed that if he were dash he would be happier, तो if he were larger मतलब option C. What is a group of fish called? उसको क्या बोलते हैं? हमने चैप्टर में भी देखा था, it is called school, मतलब option D. What happened to the fish? तो they were caught in a net, so option will come B. The little fish dashed through the net and slipped back into the water. So it is wriggled. That is option C. Okay. Now next is fill in the blanks. So options are already given. We have to just choose the correct option and write there. The little fish was unhappy. The little fish was unhappy because he was very small. Why he was unhappy? Because he was very small. Number 3, the little fish thought that he would be happier if he were larger, मतलब वो happier होता जब वो larger होता. A group of fish is called a school. Then number 5, the fish were caught in a net. And 6th is the dash fish wriggled through the net and slipped back into the water. That is the smallest fish. Okay. Now question number 4, write true or false. See, the little fish was happy. तो ये सही है? No, it is false. The little fish was unhappy. The little fish was unhappy because he was very small. So it is correct. So we'll write true. Number 3, the little fish thought that he would be happier if he was smaller. मतलब happier तब होता जब smaller होता. No, it is false. जब वो larger होता. The fish were caught in a net. So it is true. The little fish wriggled through the net and saved himself. So this also is true. Now number 5 is write 3 rhyming words. Okay, see here. Now number 1 is hall. तो इसका rhyming we can write as ball, call and tall. B-A-L-L ball, C-A-L-L call and T-A-L-L tall. Number 2 is stool. So इसका C-O-O-L cool, S-C-H-O-O-L school, T-O-O-L tool. Number 3 is sting. B-L-I-N-K blink, T-H-I-N-K think and D-R-I-N-K drink. Test का best, nest and rest. Okay. And next number 5 is strife. उसका K-N-I-F-E knife, L-I-F-E life and W-I-F-E wife. Okay children, number 6 is see, name the water animals and birds. So your pictures you are being given and you have to just choose the correct name from that bracket and from that box, and you have to write under the picture. So first one is a duck, then frog, then fish, then turtle, swan, crane, and on the next page we are having whale and crocodile. Okay. Next, number 7 question, fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs in the simple present tense. Now see, here simple present tense मतलब जो present tense है वही रहने देना है, just तो उसका form हमको वो करना है. We have to just change the form. We have to write the correct form as per the sentence. For example, we'll see, and students examples even also can come in the exam. So don't leave those sentences. Like first is Rita dash to the market. So go. So go का जैसे Rita is singular, तो उसका it will be goes. Okay, Rita goes, G-O-E-S goes. This is already given an example. Okay, so see, as per the singular, when singular is coming तो verb में हमको पीछे s add करना होता है. Okay, जैसे number 1 first is Mehul dash on the blackboard. So it is right. So Mehul writes, W-R-I-T-E-S. We'll add S to the verb. Number 2 is Kiran dash school at 10 o'clock. Reach. तो Kiran singular है तो उसमें we'll write reaches. अब reaches की spelling R-E-A-C-H-E-S. Okay. Then we dash in the garden. अब we plural है तो plural के साथ जो verb है उसमें हम S add नहीं करेंगे. We dash in the garden तो we walk in the garden. Okay. Then the boys dash football in the evening. तो again boys is plural, so same वो form रहेगा, that is play. The boys play football in the evening. Then I dash to watch TV. अब I के साथ भी हम verb मतलब I is singular but उसके साथ S is not there, S is not being put. So I like to watch TV. I likes नहीं होता है, I like to watch TV. Then Amar dash his homework. So finish का क्या होगा? Finishes. F-I-N-I-S-H-E-S. Okay. Then you dash your friend. तो जैसे I के साथ हमने लगाया, I के साथ हमने इसने पुट किया, so ये भी ऐसे आएगा, you help your friend. Okay. Then Nitin singular है तो Nitin dash his parents. So Nitin loves, L-O-V-E-S loves. Then we dash story books. So we भी प्लूरल है. ओके, सो इसके साथ हम जैसे वी हमने देखा हम ऐसे ऐड नहीं करते वर्ब में. सो वी रीड स्टोरी बुक्स, सेम विल कम. ओके. देन मिसेस दवे, टीच का क्या हो जाएगा? टीचर्स. टीचर्स अस मैथ्स, T-E-A-C-H-E-S. जैसे मिसेस दवे एक ही है, मतलब वो सिंगुलर एक ही है, सिंगल. सो नाउन्स कीप इन माइंड जब सिंगुलर है तो हम उसमें वर्ब के साथ एस पुट करते हैं, बट कहीं कहीं पे नहीं, जैसे आई एंड यू उनके साथ नहीं होता वो. ओके, so children just complete this exercises, questions like question from 1 to 7 in your English workbook and then learn it.